Rail Installation Vehicle. Walking state. The explosion-proof diesel engine rail installation vehicle is a special equipment for overhead monorail rail installation, which is powered by the explosion-proof diesel engine. It integrates drilling, installation, and fixation. It is controlled by the remote control with crawler type. Climbing state. Strong power, can climb plus/minus 18 degrees. Platform up and down. It is equipped with a lifting platform with a lifting height of 1.5 meters to 3 meters, which is suitable for the rail installation of roadways with different heights. Hoist the rail. It is equipped with a lifting device to hoist the rail to the track bin. The track bin can store 12 pieces, reducing labor intensity. Drilling boom. The vehicle can be equipped with a drilling boom to realize rail installation and drilling at the same time, improve the working efficiency. The drilling boom can rotate 360 degrees to drill in all directions. It is equipped with an inner lubricating system and inner tube, reliable and flexible. Equipped with a hydraulic motor imported from Germany, it can work at 2 speeds and adjust different torques and speeds according to different working conditions, improving the working efficiency. The drill boom is equipped with a safe operation platform, so that the operator has a clear vision and drill accurately.